In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix HDFC mobile banking logging error issue. If you are facing logging error issue, then this is the video for you. I will show you simple and easy step to fix the problem. Just follow each step carefully. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Turn your Wi-Fi on and off and then on again, or switch to mobile data. If none of these works, then turn your airplane mode for 2 seconds. Then turn it off. And second step is reset your phone. Sometimes a simple reset can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the other step is check your username and password carefully. Make sure your email or username is correct. Check your password carefully. Turn off your cap locks. And sometimes wrong details are the most common reason for the logging errors. Update. And the other step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, open your Play Store or App Store, search for the app and then tap on update option if it is available. Sometimes old version may not work properly. So the other step is check your server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side. The app server may be down. Wait for some time and try again. Many users also face the same issue. And the other step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. Go to your phone setting, tap on apps or app management, select the app list or apps, then search for the login app, then tap on storage and cache, then click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. So the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app and restart your phone. Then install the app again from Play Store or App Store. By doing all of it, this gives a fresh restart to the app. If none of this helps, then you can contact with the customer service of the app by going on Help Center and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and share or subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.